I see my father gardening outside all the time. He absolutely loves it. And it didn't occur to me until recently that gardening is actually great for his health. It's often not talked about. So I want to use this episode to talk about what it is about gardening and how it can augment your health. Hi, my name is Dr. Omer Awan. I'm a physician and public health contributor for Forbes.com. In this episode, we're going to talk about 4 ways that gardening can absolutely augment and improve your health. Number 1, it's a legit form of exercise. I once helped my father outside in the garden, and I was drenched in sweat. Literally the next day, my whole body was sore. And that's because it's a full body workout. Like literally, you're squatting, when you're taking out weeds, you're carrying mulch, you're activating different muscles in your body that are participating in aerobic exercise, and you're burning calories. So a great way to do exercise and to have fun, and it doesn't even feel like exercise because you're doing a goal-directed activity, which is gardening. Number 2, it actually improves your physical and mental health. And what do I mean by that? Well, have you ever noticed that when you're outside, you actually take deeper breaths? Definitely compared to inside. And this allows for more air to get into your lungs. You have higher quality of breathing and more oxygen gets to your blood. Also, most gardening occurs outside, which means that there's more sunlight. And when there's more sunlight, there's more and higher levels of vitamin D. And this is something that I'm conscious of because I have low levels of vitamin D. And vitamin D is crucial for the health of your bones because calcium, which is an important part and component of bones, needs vitamin D to be absorbed in your body. So if you have more vitamin D, you have higher calcium that will be absorbed by your body and your bones are stronger. But that doesn't answer the question about mental health. Well, what about mental health? Well, a recent study showed that healthy females who garden twice a day showed lower levels of stress, anxiety, and depression. And these same healthy women had never gardened before. There are many other countless studies that show that gardening is crucial for augmenting mental health. Number 3, it's actually beneficial to your diet. Most people who garden plant their own fruits and vegetables, and you certainly don't need me to tell you that fruits and vegetables are good for your health. But even more than that, these fruits and vegetables are organic. They're not treated with pesticides, which can have enormous health benefits for you. A recent article in the American Journal of Public Health showed that those who garden on average have lower BMIs or body mass indexes compared to those that don't garden. And finally, gardening can slow climate change. We often hear about the importance of carpooling, recycling as a way to save our planet, but not many people talk about gardening as a legit way to save our planet. Well, gardens are filled with green spaces, and these green spaces decrease the amount of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide that are responsible for warming our climate. These plants that you plant are taking the carbon dioxide out of the air and using it for their benefit, thus decreasing the amount of greenhouse gases that are responsible for climate change. And even more indirectly, if you're planting your own fruits and vegetables, you're less likely to go to the grocery store, take a car there, and you're using less energy and there will be less pollution in the atmosphere. So many ways that gardening can certainly improve and augment the planet and slow down climate change. So hopefully I've convinced you that gardening isn't just about keeping your lawn pretty, it's about improving and preserving your health. And now I certainly understand why my father and many others garden and keep active and stay healthy. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your attention. And as always, please be kind to yourself and to those around you.